Hydralift FX, an innovative project for total skin renovation. Hydralift FX combines the extraordinary detergent properties of water-based peel containing sequential acids with microdermabrasion performed with the diamond grain handpiece and the transdermal delivery of cosmetic ingredients. The 3-in-1 system that redefines the rules of facial treatments. The core of this technology is the infuser aspirating handpiece for deep cleansing. Thanks to the water-based peel with mandelic and salicylic acids and the deep moisturizing effect of hyaluronic acid. Mesoporation handpiece, extra effective treatments, thanks to the transdermal delivery of active substances. Diamond grain handpiece, extra exfoliating. The effective properties of diamond grains can exfoliate and renovate any skin type, including thickened skins and skins affected by deep wrinkles, scars due to acne and stretch marks. As the aspiring infuser handpiece is employed, a pleasant water jet, to which mandelic acid has been added, allows performing a delicate peel. All the superficial impurities are removed and disposed of in the appropriate container. The following step is a water-based peel containing salicylic acids that allowed a deeper medium-intensity peel. The most appropriate Dermablend peel is applied on your face for 5 minutes. Once removed, all the dead skin cells are aspirated. Your skin is now ready for deep moisturizing thanks to the infuser handpiece containing low molecular weight hyaluronic acid. According to the skin type, a thin layer of the most suitable Dermablend serum is applied and delivered through the mesoporation handpiece. The treatment ends with Dermablend Oxyplus Active Oxygen Mask, which is applied on your face, neck and décolletage. In a matter of seconds, it will turn into a soft mousse with thousands of active oxygen bubbles that will burst and delicately massage and oxygenate your skin. In order to treat the most problematic skins, affected by deep wrinkles, patches and scars due to acne, the water-based peel should be paired with microdermabrasion performed with a vacuum handpiece featuring a diamond surface. This allows smoothing even the most stubborn wrinkles, such as lip lines and stretch marks, which are then filled with an infusion of hyaluronic acid. For small scars, fine lines, the area around the eyes, the nose and the lips, and small dichromatic patches. For patches and medium-large dichromatic areas, deep wrinkles, spots and blackheads. For scars due to acne, stretch marks, knees, elbows and thickened areas of your body. It deep cleanses your face. It removes dead skin cells. It rebalances sebum and makes comedones disappear. It moisturizes your skin deeply. It restructures your tissues. The diamond head microdermabrasion is effective also on thickened skins affected by scars due to acne, deep wrinkles or stretch marks. In order to renovate your skin, all it takes is 4 sessions once a week. The customer will also have to follow the special home protocol by taking Dermablend skin caps, double effect and eyes lift. Dermablend silver mask. Dermablend skin caps, double effect. Anti-aging, moisturizing, firming effect. This is a treatment based on hyaluronic microspheres and biopeptides extracted from yeast that in 28 days allows you to reduce first and second degrees wrinkles. In just 1 hour, thanks to the action of the encapsulated hyaluronic acid, your skin looks more compact. In 4 weeks, thanks to the biopeptides extracted from yeast, collagen and elastin production increases up to 20%. Dermablend skin caps eyes lift. Anti-aging, black circles and eye bags. This is a 28-day treatment that effectively counteracts wrinkles around the eyes, as well as dark circles and eye bags, thanks to pure vitamin A microspheres that boost skin cellular renovation and chrysin, a flavonoid that reduces purple under eye circles. Silver Mask, anti-aging with memory effect. If used before going to bed, it flies the sign of aging and it adapts to your face thanks to the memory effect. The gradual release of stabilized vitamin C and the mineralizing properties of silver dye give firmness to your skin, which looks more glowing and homogeneous. The effects have been clinically tested in vivo on groups of 20 participants. Hydralift FX, cosmetic and technological innovation.